tonight, we sang as one.
That was Shelly Marikaj with We Live in Two Different Worlds, moving up from number 11 to number 10. Now, moving up to number 9 this week is Ralpho with his absolute banger, Where the Wild Dogs Roam.
Out here the heat burns deeper than rust. No kin to call on, few you can trust. Carry the load, keep a hard, steady hand, while the company claims stake out this land. Long is the silence where the wild dogs roam. Sky full of fire, this dusty road feels like home. Heartbeat steady, the Outback will show. Who bends to the weak, and where wisdom will grow. If you listen like a ghost gun, then you will know. Even if you live through the day, you will still need to grow. Patrolling the fence line, count every track. Shadows keep moving, eyes that shine looking back. Hunting in the stillness, where night deals its mercy. Men count their wages, their souls feeling thirsty. Gone is the silence, the dust clouds are rising. Gone is the sun, but the land keeps on fighting. Heart drums are pounding, the spirit is near. Wisdom resounding for all who can hear. If you listen